Like most Fred Meyer stores, this one has a gluten-free section. It's in aisle 2. And of course, gluten-free sections vary depending on where you are. This one's got a great selection of bread. My personal favorite is the Franz gluten-free Mountain White. It's got great texture, good flavor. It doesn't overpower the food on your sandwich. Bunch of spreads, condiments, the liquid aminos. I've heard a lot about those. And then you've got the different staples like the Energy brand, Immaculate Baking Company. Be careful. I do love their stuff, but they also make some glutinous products that you do need to watch out and make sure you're not buying that. Glutino is a very well-known gluten-free brand. Pamela's is one of my favorites. That pancake mix is among the best that you will find. It's a little bit pricey, but it's very, very good. Namaste is also a gluten-free brand, as is Enjoy Life. These mini chocolate chips. Chocolate chips are one thing that people don't tend to realize can have gluten in them. So that's important. Bomb's Red Mill is also a very high quality brand. The problem with Bomb's is there is a lot of glutinous products that he carries. And so you have to be very careful when you're purchasing it. One time I accidentally purchased glutinous cornbread mix and didn't realize it and made it because it was literally right next to the gluten-free cornbread mix. So these are the things that you need to watch out for. In this gluten-free section, however, I am not seeing any glutinous products mixed in here, so that's awesome. So it looks like you can shop with confidence in this section, but of course always check your labels. Their frozen section has a dedicated gluten-free area with English muffins and bread, tortillas, breakfast foods, breakfast sandwiches. Kinnikinnick is actually one of my favorite brands. I just like saying it, but I might have to try those donuts later. This Love Evil, whatever, I tried their lemongrass chicken once. I didn't care for it, honestly. Amy's, you have to be careful because while it's made with a lot of organic food, it's not always necessarily gluten-free.